What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Josh Thompson Productions. Last week I got to show you guys a really cool audio technique that I was doing for a class project, and this week I actually have that class project to show you guys. So yeah, it's really cool. Now I don't know if I ever explained in detail what the project was. What the project is a complete audio replacement project. I take a 5-minute clip from a film and take out all the sound, and then I build it right back up from the ground up. So that means dialogue, that means sound effects, that means music, everything. I gotta be the sound designer for this 5-minute clip. I chose Star Wars Episode 3, which sounds like an odd choice, but to me it's because of the fight scene at the end, the Mustafar battle scene. To me, that was one of the best fight scenes that Star Wars ever did, and I wanted to see how well I could actually recreate a fight scene from Star Wars. And so I gave it a shot. I made the 5-minute clip, the project's done, and here it is for you guys. Please be sure to leave your comments if you like it. If you don't like it, please tell me too, because my whole purpose of this is to learn. So, yeah. Tell me anything. I'm willing to read. What's the hand motion right there? I'm willing to read it. I'm willing to accept it and to kind of take it in and learn from it. So, yeah, just tell me anything you want to. Be sure to like and subscribe, all that kind of fun stuff. And yeah, here's the video. I will see you guys next time.
Into exile I must go. Failed I have.
I have failed you, Anakin. I have failed you.
I should have known the Jedi were plotting to take over.
Anakin, Chancellor Palpatine is evil.
From my point of view, the Jedi are evil.
But then you are lost.
This is the end for you, my master.
It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
You underestimate my power.
Don't try it. chosen one! It was said you would destroy the Sith, not join them! Bring balance to the Force! Not leave it in darkness!
I hate you!
You were my brother, Anakin! I loved you!